Welcome, in front of me is DELL Latitude 3520, and in this video I will show you how to restore account PIN if you forgot it or lost it or anything else. So, first of all, in order to restore your account's PIN, you have to click I forgot my PIN right here, and if you don't have this option right here, then try entering your PIN number several times. If once you get several incorrect attempts of entering the password, this option will appear beneath the PIN field. And once you click on it, if you have a local account installed set up on this laptop, then what you'll have to do is answer one of the secret questions that you prepared for yourself in order to restore your password. Now, if you don't know the answers to the questions, then in such case the only way to regain access to your account would be by performing the factory reset and reinstalling Windows from USB. And if you don't know how to do that, then check out the full video on our channel where we explain how to do that step by step. And now if you have a Microsoft account, then enter the password into the password field. Now if you don't know the password, then you'll have to reset your Microsoft password using your email. And if you can do that either, then go with the Windows reinstall option. And if you need some help on your way, then you can of course watch the video on our channel. Now once you enter the password, press enter and then confirm your identity by receiving a code to your either email or phone. Then you'll have to, once you click this option, you'll have to enter this code into the following fields right here. So give me a moment while I'm receiving my code. Okay, I just received a code. So let me enter it here. Then once you enter your code, click verify. And once your code gets verified, you'll have to press continue and set up a new PIN for yourself, and try your best to remember it this time. Press OK and you will regain access to your Windows instantly after that. So, if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.